everybody knows.
I'm Jamie Sherrill, but people call me Nurse Jamie.
I'm the it girl. I'm the it girl.
I am the Beverly Hills beauty guru.
Guys, look who I'm here with.
Here's Nurse Jamie.
There she is.
And some might say a skin magician.
Oh, what? You're an artist.
For 20 years, I've been making people shine, one treatment at a time.
Thank you, Nurse Jamie.
Oh, thank you, Nurse Jamie.
Kimberly came in with one of the most common patient complaints that I get, which is I look tired. I feel like I look tired. People tell me that I look tired even after 8 hours of sleep. We started off with the clear lip, which causes your collagen fibers to thicken, the overlying skin and hair is firmer. It makes these tiny little perforations in the skin. The body thinks it's been injured and it sends new collagen to that area. Then we followed it with the Potenza. This is RF microneedling, but next level. It's the only device that combines monopolar and bipolar radio frequency in one machine. We're rebuilding collagen and you're improving laxity, which is one of Kimberly's big complaints. We did some injectables for facial balancing. Not only did we do a little bit of Botox to soften her frown lines and her forehead lines, but we also did a little bit of lip filler because she said that was one of her biggest insecurities, was having thinner lips. So she wanted a little more luscious lips without looking overdone. Then we followed it with the Tri-Lip, which is kind of like a personal trainer in a machine. This is by Luminous. Think about it as kind of like a workout for your face, while the RF tightens the skin on top. I personally love the Tri-Lip because it helps to sculpt the jawline without Botox and filler. I mean, that is a before and after, right? Kimberly looks amazing. She was so happy. She talked about joining a dating app. She felt so fresh and pretty and hot and young, and that's what we went for. Operation Hot Kimberly.